The chairman of the Presidential Committee on Tax Reform, Taiwo Oyedele, has assured Nigerians that they will begin to feel the impact of the tax reform bills immediately after they are passed into law by the National Assembly and implemented. He said this is a roundtable discussion in Osun State.
Present at the roundtable are members of the academia, financial experts, legal practitioners, public affairs analysts, and students, all gathered to deliberate on the ongoing tax reforms of the current administration.
It's one thing for the government to have a vision, it's another thing for them to come up with workable documents, named policy documents, that will help in shaping these decisions.
To explain to us what the reforms that is being proposed is all about, what are the benefits to the Nigerians and to everybody, why the establishment of his committee, what they seek to achieve.
The chairman of the Presidential Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reforms, Taiwo Oyedele, presents the lead paper. He explained that the proposed bills, including the Nigerian Tax Bill, the Tax Administration Bill, the Revenue Tax Board Bill, and the Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Bill, aim to exempt low-income earners from tax and remove taxes on essential items such as food, drugs, and fuel products.
For the poor people we are trying to exempt from taxes, you don't need to convince them. Like, there's no poor person that will say, don't exempt me from tax. So what we have done is focus our engagement more with the various groups, from small businesses to large businesses.
Discussants at the event praised the progressive taxation strategy of the reform agenda and called for stronger mechanisms to track tax evaders and reward tax-compliant individuals and businesses.
Most people who pay tax now are people who probably have industries that cannot escape it in the type of industry they have, or government workers who mandatorily their taxes are distorted from sources.
The removal of VAT from medication, the cost of medication and all that is also commendable. The economic development tax waiver is also commendable to the extent that we create more jobs, we attract direct foreign investment.
A communique from the conference will be submitted to the federal government for thorough review and consideration to further enhance the noble objectives of the tax reforms. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osun State.